This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Map Street View. It's pretty simple, but before I show you that, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month if you click my link in the description. So what you need to do is just come to any random street in the world and then just long hold until you get this pin, and then click on this like picture thingy on the left side, and boom, now you have opened the street view. Now you can't use it everywhere. There's some streets that aren't covered, but like 95% of things are covered. So if I were to go, say, here and drop my pin here, top left again, as you can see, this is the street. Here you can see that it was last updated 9 years ago, and these are some of the latest photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, click the link in the description.